How to fix YouTube Premium Family Plan not working. So just a short explanation and a few options you can do if this is happening to you. So if your YouTube Premium isn't working, the most common cause is household or location restrictions. Since YouTube now strictly requires all family members to live in the same household, and it regularly checks this using account location data. If it detects members in different places, premium access can be paused or removed. Another frequent issue is a country mismatch where a member's Google account region doesn't match the family's manager account, so this can prevent premium benefits from activating properly. So if you want to go ahead and try fixing this, make sure all members are in the same household. Then you can remove and re-add the affected member to the family group. You could wait up to 24 hours for it to sync properly, but if you want to know where to manage your membership, just go ahead to your YouTube account, go to the profile section, and then go ahead inside your settings or over here. But once you're in your settings, you can go ahead and manage your premium membership, and then you can manage the members inside your family over here. Then what you can do is try removing that member and then sending the invitation again. If this still doesn't work, you can try signing out and back into YouTube and make sure your app is updated to the latest version, since account sync issues can block premium features as well. But those are a few things you can put in mind if your YouTube Premium Family plan isn't working. So hopefully the information of this video can help you. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.